Hello, I'm Jeff Stewart with New England Chimney Supply. We'd like to take a few minutes and introduce you to an exciting new system, the ChamberGuard Smoke Chamber Repair System. This system, along with this product, is going to change the industry. It's going to allow you to do things with a sprayer you've never been able to do before. But before we get to the fun stuff, let me tell you about ChamberGuard. ChamberGuard is the only product on the market today that has a zero clearance UL listing at only 1 inch thick. It is also the only product on the market that can be either parged or sprayed. But spraying is where we really set ourselves apart from the rest. So these are the systems we've been using for years. Whether it's a top-fed version like this one or a bottom-fed version like this one, they all operate on the same concept of a compressed air canister. There's some drawbacks to this. One, you've got to carry two things around. You've got to carry your air compressor and also your pressure cooker. These systems also have some limitations. Because the material is fed by air, you're forced to mix it thinner. So you can't spray thickness. You can't put this on and take corbels out. It's going to ooze, it's going to drip, it's going to run. The ChamberGuard sprayer makes all that go away. So this is it, the ChamberGuard sprayer. It's going to change your expectations of sprayers forever. Unlike the systems you're used to that work with those pressure canisters, this system has no pressure canister. It's a completely self-contained system with an air compressor on the bottom and your hopper on the top. The air doesn't come into play until you get to the gun. So what's all this mean for you? Well, because there's no air tank anymore, this system is auger fed. It allows us to put material that is much, much thicker in this system and do things you never thought possible with a sprayer. You're going to be able to remove corbels from a smoke chamber in minutes. You're going to be able to fill large holes and gaps that you never thought you could fill with a sprayer. And more importantly, this is the only spray system on the market today that will be able to spray to the recommended 1 inch thickness to get the listing that your customers demand. So enough of telling you about all the great things it will do. I'm excited to take it for a test drive and show you what it'll do.
As you can see, we're able to use a much thicker product than can normally be used in a compressed air sprayer. This allows the ChamberGuard sprayer to do things you never thought possible. Before we get started on the smoke chamber, I wanted to show you its crazy capabilities on a cinder block. Now let us show you what we can do in a smoke chamber. You can fill corbels and gaps in minutes. This is going to save you time and increase your bottom line.